In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Klaviyo account. Whether you're a small business owner, an email marketer, or someone looking into exploring the depths of SMS and marketing automation, this step-by-step tutorial has got you covered. Let's dive right into it. Starting off, it's essential to visit the main hub for all things Klaviyo. So, navigate your way to the Klaviyo website. The homepage is your gateway to a multitude of marketing solutions, specifically designed to enhance your customer engagement strategies. Upon entering the site, you'll notice the Sign Up option prominently displayed. This is your ticket to entering the world of Klaviyo. Click on it and you're one step closer to unlocking the full potential of email marketing and automation tools designed to elevate your marketing strategies. Now, the real deal begins with adding your details. This part is crucial because it's all about laying the foundation of your account. Start by entering your email address. Make sure it's one you frequently use for business communications because this is where you'll receive all your Klaviyo notifications and updates. Next, footsteps into the digital marketing world require you to create a password. Remember, this password is the key to your Klaviyo kingdom, so make it strong and unique to protect your account from unwelcome visitors. Following that, Klaviyo gets more acquainted with you by asking for your business details. Here, you'll specify your company's name and the number of contacts you currently have in your mailing list. Whether it's a modest list of a few hundred or a sprawling database in the thousands, Klaviyo is ready to cater to your needs. Continuing to flesh out your profile, Klaviyo seeks to understand your business better by asking for the e-commerce platform you use. This information is invaluable as it allows Klaviyo to tailor its features to best suit your platform, ensuring a seamless integration for your marketing activities. But there's more. Klaviyo is all about customization and strategic targeting. Therefore, you'll add details about your industry. Whether you're in fashion, electronics, health and wellness, or any other sector, acknowledging your industry will enable Klaviyo to offer insights and suggestions relevant to your market and customer base. Now onto a critical part of account creation, compliance and communication preferences. Klaviyo values transparency and user empowerment, offering you the choice to sign up for their marketing communications. This could include newsletters, blog posts, product news, webinars, and even targeted advertising. While it's optional, opting in can keep you in the loop with the latest marketing trends and Klaviyo product updates. It's a decision you weigh based on your preferences for receiving marketing emails. On the next screen, you'll find notable highlights and features that set Klaviyo apart. It's a glimpse into the potential and power of using Klaviyo to turbocharge your email and SMS marketing efforts. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these highlights. They could inspire strategies or spark ideas for future marketing campaigns. And finally, the last step in creating your Klaviyo account hinges on a crucial action. Checking a box to agree to Klaviyo's terms of service and privacy policy. It's an important step, ensuring that you're aware of and agree with how Klaviyo will manage the data you provide and the data you'll collect from your customers. Once you check the box, click Create Account. Congratulations, you've navigated the sign-up process and your Klaviyo account is now set up. You're now at the starting line, ready to pursue smarter, more targeted email and SMS marketing campaigns with Klaviyo's robust automation and segmentation tools. Creating a Klaviyo account is just the beginning. Ahead lies the journey of exploring Klaviyo's features, integrating it with your e-commerce platform, and leveraging its powerful analytics to understand and grow your customer base. With your account set up, you're well on your way to elevating your marketing strategies and driving significant results for your business. Thank you for following this tutorial on how to create a Klaviyo account. Stay tuned for more insights and guides to make the most out of your marketing efforts with Klaviyo.